North Bali has lots of offbeat places like Rice Terrace, waterfalls, and most beautiful temples. In this video, we are going to show an extremely scenic side of Bali, and for that, we booked a day tour from Get Your Guide app that included Jatiluwih Rice Terrace, Ulun Danu Temple, and Banyumala Waterfall. This day tour included pick-up and drop from our hotel in Ubud, and our day has started very early as North Bali is quite far from Ubud. After 1.5 hours of scenic drive, we reached our first destination, the Jatiluwih Rice Terrace. Our first impressions were indescribable. It had vast rice terrace with a mountain in the background, so we decided to enjoy the view with some breakfast. Here is a beautiful time lapse we captured. Jatiluwih Rice Terrace is a UNESCO World Heritage Site spread across 1400 acres, offering vast, stunning rice terrace landscapes with Mount Batukaru backdrop. There's an entry ticket of 50,000 IDR, and we felt it was not bad as we got to click some beautiful pictures here and enjoy the endless rice fields. Here's a beautiful glimpse that we captured. Another reason we visited Jatiluwih was to try the swing at Katawaka. Bali definitely has a lot of options to try the swing, but I actually wanted to try it in an offbeat, less crowded and more scenic spot. Along with the swing, there's a very beautiful restaurant here which offers a very scenic dining experience. I was super impressed by the entire experience of this place, and it is definitely a must visit if you're looking for a less crowded swing spot. After all the amazing experience here, we moved to our next destination, the Ulun Danu temple. We took entry tickets that costed 75,000 IDR, and the place is very well maintained with beautiful gardens, traditional Bali gate, and scenic viewpoints all around the lake. And honestly, when you're in Bali, who doesn't love clicking pictures in front of these iconic gates? Our experience got even better once we reached the main temple. It is located on the shores of Lake Barrington. This temple almost looks like it's floating on the water. The weather here was completely different with breeze, misty mountains, beautiful gardens, and very peaceful vibes. Right next to the temple, you can get your pictures clicked in the traditional Balinese outfit, and you can also feed the fishes at the lake. They have a lot of photo spots, and the best part of it is the mountain in the background, making it look more scenic. It also had a mini zoo, and we were excited to get a closer look of these owls. I felt that the owl was not just looking into my eyes, but looking through my soul because of its glary look. Overall, we really enjoyed the entire experience here and it's definitely worth visiting. We then moved to our next destination, which was Banyumala Waterfall, and on the way to this waterfall, the climate was getting even more pleasant with foggy views. To reach the waterfall, we need to walk down through a forest trail and trek down for around 20 minutes. Throughout the trek, we only heard this sort of noise. If you know which insect could it be, let us know in the comments. After 20 minutes of that forest trail, we reached the entrance from where the trek starts. Though there were only 150 steps to reach the waterfall, the steps were huge, making it a little difficult to trek down. But honestly, this entire trail made it so adventurous. As we crossed river streams, thick forest, trust me, the moment you see the waterfall, all the tiredness just disappears. In case you want to dip, they do have changing rooms as well. That was our experience from visiting Banyumala Waterfalls. You can also get a taxi bike to reach the car parking lot if you do not want to walk the forest trails. We thoroughly enjoyed all the activities planned for our North Bali trip and would highly recommend opting for this day tour. And if you're planning a Bali trip, I'll link this day tour in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such travel experiences, and see you in the next one. Bye!